Hey MotoFam, this is Ryan Mortensen with Motomort Training, and we're here to talk all about body position. Today I'm here with Max. He's been riding for about a year now, but I've been letting him ride, just kind of adapt to what comes naturally for him. He's a lot of experience on bicycles, things like that. But on the motocross bike, there's some definite technique that's really going to help him be in more control of the bike, be efficient on the bike, and actually use less arm energy when controlling a motorcycle. So the most important thing in riding is riding with your legs. So squeezing your bike. So stand up in a right position. You want to lock on here. This is our central platform of how we're going to ride the motorcycle. The more he squeezes the knees, the less he has to worry about controlling the bike with his arms. If he squeezes the knees, he's not having to hold himself up with his arms. His legs will do the work, and your legs are the strongest part of your body. Next, look at the feet. The common beginner rider is going to have his feet more forward. Max has about perfect right here. What this is going to help is there's extra suspension in your ankle. Look at that. God gave you some joints to help you. The other part, the hips. This is a common thing. We ride with our hips like rolled in. We need to stick that butt out. Once we stick that butt out, then we can get our head up to look forward. This puts us in a very strong athletic position. Very balanced on the bike and looking forward. Okay, you feel good and strong there? One way to make sure you're in the correct body position, you gotta make sure you're strong on the bike, right? To test this, we can do one thing. Stay in that exact position and let go of your hands. Right, you shouldn't fall forwards or backwards. You should need to be squeezing them. It looks like you don't wanna fall forward, right? So what we wanna do is bend more in the knees, bend more at the hips, flatter back. It always helps sometimes if I demonstrate as well. So I'm gonna up on my sweet Yamaha right here. I'm gonna grip the bike with my knees. I'm gonna hinge at my hips, head right over the handlebars. This is our strong position. At any time, right? I'm very comfortable. I could do this all day. Max looks good right here. We're gonna test him. Take your hands off the grips, and we're gonna see. Is he strong? Yeah, there you go. See? You can ride like this. I love it. It looks good. I got a MotoMort bonus tip for you. This is crucial. If you want to be able to go fast around the corners, like a 90-degree that you don't really need to sit down for, this is where we bring our knees in for a corner. If I'm making a right-hand turn, I'm going to push my outside knee into my bike as hard as I can, and I'm actually going to steer the bike with my legs. Definitely take a little bit of getting used to, but it's very important. One thing I like to do with my students is take them for a couple laps, and they cannot sit down. They have to be standing the entire lap, just mainly using their legs, light on their hands, using their knees to steer. If I'm taking a left-hand turn, I'm going to be putting my right knee into the bike this way, kind of lightening the pressure of my inner knee so I can get the bike to lean over. So it's going to be a pushing in, going this way, pushing that way. It's going to be a motion like this. Let's see what that looks like in action. So you can see I was able to demonstrate that in a very small area over there. This goes to show you that you can actually practice these things. If you have a small field by your house that you can ride, you don't have to go to a track. You can go to a little small area and work on little figure eights. All this stuff helps improve greatly. Hey MotoFam, that was your top tip for today on body position. If you'd like to learn more about riding through my schools and training, you can look us up on Instagram at motomort_training. We'd love to see you and have fun and be safe out there.